Yo, what's going on, guys? S Production Games, and we're starting the second part of our series, making the game in Java. Yeah. Now, this is part two. Okay, and we're going to continue where we left off. As you can see right here, what we got here is just a little box pop up here, no preset size, and then you can enlarge it and everything, but nothing else going on there, just blank, gray. And yeah, that's what we got going so far. Sorry about the first video. I kind of watched over it again. I was like, man, I could have done that better. I might go back and do something better, but only if people need the help. Because I'm not gonna do another video if nobody needs help on it. It's a waste of time, right? So if anybody need help still with the installing and downloading things, let me know and we'll get through that. But right now, we can continue. Um, Also, the video was very, very, very long. Well, to my standards, I didn't want things to be like 30 minutes long and stuff. It was like 15 minutes, and that's kind of long for my liking, especially for just starting off and nothing much was accomplished except downloading a few things, showing you guys how to download things. And I wasn't downloading because everything was already downloaded for me. But anyways, let's roll. We're gonna continue this. We're gonna start off with create a new class. Right click here, new class, and let's go to game panel. Guess what we're gonna call it. Yep. Okay. And in order to save time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type everything down and then I'll be back, show you it. Okay? So please stay tuned. Alright guys, so far quickly we're gonna show this off and explain a little bit. This is what I got so far. We got a new class game panel and it extends JPanel. We're gonna be using stuff JPanel. And then this is pretty much gonna add attributes into the first class we created, game. And then implements runnable, which is running method. That's what we need to get things running, to get things going. Okay. Now we got private, static, and width. Private, static, and height. Now these things are going to be used for the screen, to make the screen. You can have the screen and finally have a set size. So once we run it, it won't be a little small little thing anymore. And matter of fact, I should have done this. I don't know why I did it, but let's do it right now. 800, and this one's gonna be 600. Oh yeah. Okay, that's what we got. This is gonna be the size of the screen, the width and the height, and we're gonna see how that turns out. Okay, next is thread. I would explain thread, but my knowledge of it is limiting as well. But to my knowledge, what it is, it's like when it's allowing the computer to handle multiple things at once, sort of at once, kind of like at once. And this is what you're going to use for the gaming, because mainly this is for like the buffering, I guess you could say that. Okay, the next thing is the FPS, the frame per second. We're going for 60, and this is what we're going to be using this. And then this is the private long target time, and then divided by the frame per second, and then we're going to use the boolean running. This is right now we're going to start it out at false, but once we get things running, you'll see how things go. So in graphics 2DG, this is going to be used for the art stuff. So come back. And also public void run, this is the running part, and it's going to be loaded with stuff, and I'm going to explain that. So, okay, added a few things here. As you can see, I got this in buffered image. This is a predefined Java method that you need to import. I'll go up here, you see what I got imported: dimension, graphics 2D, image, buffer image, swing JPanel. Okay, now game panel, this is the constructor for the game panel. And like I said, if you don't know what a constructor is, please go back to New Boston, check out videos. He explains them pretty well. You can even Google it. There's a lot of places that can teach you. I shouldn't have said that. I should just explain it myself. Okay, let me explain it. Public game panel, the constructor. This is pretty much gonna set all the this is pretty much setting up all the stuff for game panel. As we did, as you see, you know, we set preferred size, new dimension with the screen size. That's what we already got here. Fly down, and then set focusable. True. Now, what we doing that with that set focusable and request focus is that way is to bring things to bring this program to the front. This is going to be the main focus once this thing start running. You don't want this stuff to be background stuff. All right, public add public void add notify. This is right here. This is what gets the thread running, and this is starting the game. This is real technical, and yeah, just if it goes through your head, don't worry about it right now. Just keep your eyes on it, and you know you can mess around with it, and then you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Me too. All right. Yeah. You know, let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. Why we keep rolling instead of slowing down? All right. Private void init. Let's make it happen. Image equals new buffer image. Okay. With height of buffer image. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah. Now it's going back to the buffered image. This is for buffering. Let me see if I can show you real quick. Alright, we're gonna show you a quick thing for buffering. Like I said, these things you will learn. I picked it up on other YouTubers. So call it stealing, whatever you want to call it. Alright, here we go. One set image. Bam bam. Very ugly drawing. Yay! Next image. Different screen size and all. He's sad now. Next image. He's smiling again. Whee! Alright. What we got here? There's 3 different images. This is the loading image, and these 2 storing image. Sometimes you don't probably do 3. You probably don't use this, but this is a backup image. So once not really backup, but once this is when you go on animation, same thing when it goes like the animations part of my drawing. This is on a mouse. I can draw better, but okay, you know how those animations when you do those books. Alright. You can see, when you use your thumb, ugly drawing, but yeah. Okay. Use your thumb to flip through these pages. It's almost like a buffer. But on the computer, since they only use 1 page that's stored, or it's not, you can use 2. That way, so the moment this page set, the next page behind it is ready, and after that it's ready. Boom, 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 and it keeps going. That's how the animation going. So right now, when you look at your computer screen, man, it think it's just flying through images, refreshing. That's the frame per second. If you're getting 60, 80, 120, that's the refresh rate. It's just this image just keep getting refreshed. Boom, 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 boom. It's almost like a shot of a picture for this. Another shot here, another shot here, another shot here. Then when we see is like almost like a movement. Whoa, bam. Okay. Hope that helped. I'm not gonna say that. So we're back up here, and you know what? We're gonna end this right now, and then we'll be back on it. Continue on the next part. Stay tuned, guys.